Hey guys, I just got a new camcorder. Looks sick. But this is just an update. Since I got a new camcorder and I skate, I'm gonna get a baby death lens soon. Very soon, coming Christmas, or probably the next month, November. It's a new camcorder. Jvc HD camera. Yeah, boy. It's up to freaking like 35 times zoom to its max. Well, not to its max, but it's still zoomed in. Alright, it's just a 50 first. 53, 54, 55. That's cool. I'm getting baby death lens. Almost there, baby. I'm getting ×3. And also a camera handle. I love doing that. It's so steady, eh? Very steady. Like that. Yeah. It's great, it's HD. Oh yeah. Complete ponage right there. And yeah, getting baby death lens maybe in Christmas or the next month, on November. So yeah, boy.